how to use shelves in Minecraft. So a shelf allows you to display items in your Minecraft world. This is the crafting recipe for a shelf. 3 logs along the top and 3 logs along the bottom. They need to be stripped logs. So you can strip logs by using an axe on your logs. A shelf can display up to 3 items, and these can be stacked up to the maximum item stack size per each item. You can place multiple shelves next to each other as well. Now, shelves can be powered by redstone. When a shelf is powered by redstone, it does remove the middle line. So as you can see, there's middle lines right now. If I power with redstone again, though, the middle lines will disappear. And then you can have multiple of these all powered by redstone as well, and these actually have a really cool use. So if I click on this one right here, for example, it will replace my items in my hotbar with the items in the shelf if I had items in my hotbar, and it does the rightest most item. And then you can do this with a double shelf, and it will take the 6 most right items in your hotbar and replace them with ones in the shelf. And then you can do it for all 3 shelves next to each other, and as you can see, this does replace all the items in my hotbar with the ones in the shelf, and then it will put any items in the hotbar to the ones in the shelf if I had items in my hotbar. I'll show you some examples in a second. But first of all, these are all of the different shelves that you can create for all of the different wood types that are in Minecraft. So there's a lot of different shelves and a lot of different customization with this that you can use. And these are some examples of what you could use it for. So for example, let's say I was going mining. This could be my mining hotbar, right? This could be items that I need for mining. And then let's say that I went over here and I wanted to start PvPing instead. I could just place my items and use the PvP items instead by clicking on the shelf. As of the time of recording, this is only available in Bedrock Beta and Preview and Java Snapshots. But if anything does change before it is fully released, I will let you know in the pinned comment. If you're watching this video in the future, though, it should be fully out for you. To learn how to get and use copper golems in Minecraft, check out the video on screen.